Now here's Kentucky, one for the Red Band. What Alan Powell could do. A tractor car, you see the winner's circle 1-6 here. Where are my cake fans at? And I mean fruitcake. Only one in the class. Let's see what Alan Powell can do. How about that, fans? Give him a round of applause, all you true cake fans there. Of course, Cake, I believe, was the tractor out here. Would not be surprised if he could knock that case out. This guy's capable. Where are you green fans? You better cheer him on. Here he comes. Now that's what you came to see. Now look at here at that US Food 350. Go to bluegrasspulling.com. Now watch this red Inferno, folks. If you've never seen it, I want you to put your eyes on the front of the tractor, dead center of the grill. When the turbo boost is right, everybody here will know it. Keep your eyes on the grill. Here comes the red Inferno 2. Currently number 1, your chance to go 1 and 2. Let's see if he can get it done. Here comes Daddy Streamer's game pace. Gonna give her another try. Yeah, definitely there. Kevin Boggs having some problems. Gonna back it up and try it one more time. All right, one more time for Kevin Boggs. Here he comes. Oh yeah, he's got it marked down. Oh, give him a round of applause. He was rocking and rolling with that thing. He's right there in the hunt. Several times this year, I think about 4 victories. International fans, you have got a super strong one. The boost is up. Here he comes. Rider high. Give him a round of applause. Now they haven't moved the US Food League distance marker. It is close. Got to leave a little aisleway in and out, so if somebody needs to go in and somebody needs to go out. All right, fans, back on the track. Where are my Big Blue Ford fans at? You've got one more shot at it. Your 2010 Battle of the Bluegrass Points champion. He has been in the winner's circle 6 times so far this year. Going for win number 7. Shawn Knopp, Bluefield, Kentucky. Cheer him on, Blue fans. Here he comes. Give him a round of applause. I don't know if he got it done, but a good attempt there. Just having some trouble keeping the boots going. Let's cheer him on. He put on a Weller to go the first go-around. Got to get past 3:17. Let's see if he can get it done. Okay, Shane, about 100.